सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा व्यासाय विष्णुरूपाय व्यासरूपाय विष्णवे नमो वै ब्रह्मनिधये वासिष्ठाय नमो नमः.
Okay, okay. Okay, everyone please be on your mute now. Okay, Vikas, are you ready, Vikas?
Yes, Guru Babu.
Okay, Vikas. Shisha, so you're going to ask first ask 5 numbers and you say whether it is right or wrong. That's all, okay?
Okay.
And then 5 shlokas, right or wrong. Okay?
Okay, Guru.
Okay, go.
Shloka number 85.
Udbhavaksundarasundo Ratnanabasulochanaha.
Correct. Shloka number 36.
Skanda Skandadharoduryo Varadovayuvahanaha.
Correct. Shloka number 75.
75. Sadgati Satkruti Satta Sadbhuti Satparayanaha.
Correct. Shloka number 12.
Kasurvasumana Satya Samatma Samita Samaha.
Shloka number 50.
Bhagavan Bhagahanandi Vanamali Halayudaha.
I said 50.
50. Oh, I didn't hear you. Swavapana Swavshovyapi Naikat
Correct.
Naikatarmakut.
Correct.
Ask no, ask shlokas now.
Okay. Manojavasti Takaro Vasureta Vasupradaha.
74.
Correct. Rudro Bhavishra Babur Vishwayopunis Suchisravaha.
13.
Say correct or wrong.
Correct. Admayonis Svayam Jato Vaikanassamagayanaha.
106.
Correct.
Shisha, 2 more.
Amani Manadomanyo Lokaswami Trilokadrut.
80.
Correct. Chaturmurtis Chaturbahus Chaturvyuhas Chaturgatihi.
Shloka number 82.
Correct.
Okay, you're done, Shisha. Good, very good job, Vikas. You got everything 10 out of 10. Good job. Clap for him. Very good job. Good job, Shisha too. Okay.
Thank
Okay.
you,
Now,
Guru.
let's go to Lokesh. Lokesh, are you ready, Lokesh?
Yes, Guru Garu.
Okay. Vihan, are you ready, Vihan?
Yes, Guru Garu.
Okay. Remaining people, right? You can be on the mute, and as soon as Vihan asks the number, right, you can also say the shloka. Okay. But you please be on the mute. Okay, Vihan, get ready. Lokesh, get ready. Start.
51. What? 51. So, Dharma Kuddharmi Sadaksharam Aksharam Abhignata Sahasram.
First padam, only first padam is good enough.
Okay, right.
First time. Go.
Right fish. 67. Correct. 79. Correct. 89. 89. Correct. 98.
अक्रूरपेशि लोदक्षु दक्षिणक्षमिनमरः विद्वत्तमो विद्वय पुण्यश्रेणिकीर्तनः.
Lokesh,
Correct.
okay. Vihan, ask the shlokas.
शुभांगशातिरशिष्टा कुमुदकुवलेशयः लोहितो गोपतिर्गोप्ता वृषभाक्षोरक्षप्रियः.
Sixty-three.
Yeah, you're right.
No, I don't think it is right, Lokesh.
It's correct. Guru.
Vihan, he is not at all confident. Vihan, you have to test. He was just thinking he is 63. He was not at all sure. You have to test him. I think it is 63. He was not at all sure. Okay.
Okay, Guru Garu.
For examining him, so you can test him. Okay, go. And only say first padam. Don't say full 2 padams. Just to say first padam. Go.
Brahmanyo Brahmakrit Brahma.
71.
Yes, that's right. Shubhangoloka Saranga. Tantuvardhana.
84.
Yes, that's right. Darvero.
91.
No.
Okay, ask next number. Go next turn. That's all.
Anadir Bhurvo Lakshmi. Suviro Chirangadaha.
101.
Correct.
Okay, now say Dhanuddharo, Lokesh.
There's 16.
No. No.
Okay, shall we move on to next one, Lokesh? Or are you going to give a try? Okay, Vihan, say the number.
90. That was 92, Guru Garu.
Lokesh,
Oh, 92, Guru Garu.
you agree?
Yes, Guru.
Okay. Lokesh, you made only one mistake, but it was a good job. Okay. Okay, good job. Clap for Lokesh too. Good job. Okay, now Sri Ramachandra. Srisha, you can ask Sri Ramachandra. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah. Okay, Guru Garu.
1 second. Amma.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, Sri Ramachandra, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, go. Go, Srisha.
Sloka number 73.
Tavistava Priyastotram.
Correct. Sloka number 85.
Did we say 85?
85.
Oh, Hasunda Sunda.
Correct. $78. $78.
Ekonekasavakakim.
Correct.
Don't look at me. Look at Srisha ka.
Sloka number 51.
Dharma Kudharmi.
Correct. Sloka number 49.
Suvrata Sumka Sukshma.
Correct.
Okay, good job. 5 is done. Ask the shlokas and try to ask shloka. Srisha, you're only asking from only few numbers. Ask from beginning till the end. Try to mix and match. Go.
Okay, Guru Garu. Shloka number 5.
No, say the shloka.
Oh, sorry. Agragya Shashwat Krishno Lohitaksha.
7.
Correct. Rudro Baushira Babrur Vishvayonis Suchitsravaha.
13.
Good job. Agraniya Gramani Shriman Yayo Neta Samiranaha.
Neda Samiruna, Sastamata, Vishwagma, Satisfaction, 24.
Correct. Sloka.
2 more.
Ashokastana Stara.
37.
Correct.
1 more. Last one. Go.
Sudarshana Kala Parameshti Parigraha.
Forty-five.
Correct.
Good job. You got 10 out of 10. Very good job. Clap. So for shloka number, you take little extra time, okay?
Yeah.
No. Okay. Good job. Okay. Overall, good job. Dev, your next is Dev. So other kids are noticing it, right? So your turn will come. So be prepared, okay? Dev, where are you, Dev?
I'm here, Guru Garu.
Okay. Vihan, it's your turn. When numbers you're asking fastly, but shlokas, only say first padam. Do not say full line. Say first padam, okay? And mix and match. Okay, Dev, get ready. Start, Vihan.
53.
53. Lokadyaksha, Shaladaksha, Dharmadaksha, Kadadra, Chadrama, Chaturvya.
Dev, just first padam is enough. Slow.
It's very.
Is it right or wrong, Vihan?
He read too fast, Guru Garu.
Okay.
Lokadyaksha, Shaladaksha, Dharmadaksha, Kadadra.
No, wrong. 64.
64, 64.
Say loud. 64. Go to next one, Vihan.
74, Guru. 74, Dave.
No Javastir, Tikaro, Vasareta, Vasaprada.
Correct. 86.
Go to next one, Vihan.
97.
और अरौद्र कुंडली चक्री विक्रम यूजितासनः.
Yes, correct.
Okay, before we go to shlokas, wait, Vihan. 5 are done. Dev, you want to give a try for 86 and 64?
I don't know Guru.
Okay, let's move on. Vihan, ask the shlokas now.
Ashokastar, Nistar, Surya Savarjaneshwaraha.
37.
What?
37.
Correct. Udbhavaksho Bunodeva Srigar Parameshwaraha.
41.
Correct. Amrutakshar Dukshima Sanniman Sira.
22.
Are you sure?
Yeah, 22. Yes.
Yeah, you're correct. Lokadyaksha Sturadyaksha Dharmadyaksha Kruta Krutaha.
First padam.
15.
Correct. Archishmana Chitakumbo
86. 86. No.
Are you done, Dev? Okay, repeat full slokam, Vihan.
अर्चिष्मानच्चित कुम्भो विशुद्धात्मा विशोधिनः अनिरुद्धो अप्रतिरत प्रद्युम्नो अमित विक्रमः.
83.
No,
Okay, say answer, Vihan.
it was 68.
Okay, so Dev,
Yes,
I
Gurugar.
don't know, it is too early for you, looks like. You know, you only got 6 correct, Amma. Okay. Okay. I know you do very good job, Dev. I don't know what happened today, okay? You have to practice, just more practice, that's all you need, okay? Okay, so fine. Next is what, Sarayu, right? Sahasra, we don't see. Sarayu and Shaurya is next, these two. Okay. Okay, Shaurya, you'll be ready. Srisha will ask you. I don't do Shaurya.
Yes,
Okay.
Gurugaru.
Are you ready, Shaurya?
Yes, Gurugaru.
Good job. Good luck. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. If anyone have to leave urgently, let me know so that we can go we can go them first. Okay. I know if someone has to leave urgently, let me know. We can go. We can first cover them. Okay. Aikanya, you guys have to leave, Amma. Aikanya, I know you said you had to travel, right? You guys want? Oh, tomorrow. Okay, then we are good. Okay. Okay, Shaurya, get ready.
Okay,
Srisha,
Gurugaru.
start.
Sloka number 22. I mean, yeah, 22.
Amrityu Sarvadupsimha.
Correct. Sloka number 30.
Ojas Tejo Jira.
Correct. Sloka number 56. Sloka number 56.
Okay, go to next one.
Sloka number 68.
Achasmana Chitakumbha.
Correct. Sloka number 97.
Okay, move to next one. Okay.
Sloka
Muted.
80.
Okay, wait. Srisha,
Yes, Garu.
5 shlokas are done. Ask the shloka Amma now.
Okay. Amani Manado Manyo.
Eti.
Correct. Sujoduddaro Vagmi Mahendro Vastu Vasu. Sujoduddaro Vagmi.
Move on to next one. What will I
56.
No, Sloka.
Oh, sorry. Maharshi Kapilacharya.
57.
Correct. Sadgati Satkruti Satta.
75.
Correct. Stavyastava Priya Stotram.
73.
Correct.
Okay. So you got 2 wrong, Shaurya. So you got 8 out of 10. Good job. Srisha, you, whenever I ask you question, right, you should not only Srisha, split from 1 to 108. Like from first 20 ask 1, 20 to 40 ask 1, like that, okay? You have to split every. Okay, good job, Shaurya. Clap for Shaurya. Good job. Okay. Oh yeah, we forgot for Dev. Okay. Who was next? I said Sarayu, get ready, Amma. Sarayu, Vihan, Vihan.
Yes, Guru Garu. On it, 47. What can you say it again, Saria? I could hear. Yeah, correct. 53. Correct. 76.
More the next one, Amma.
9.
Okay. Ishto Vishishta Shishteshta.
What? Can you say one more time?
Ishto Vishishta Shishteshta. Sorry. Ishwaro Vikramidanmi.
Yeah, correct. 27.
7. Okay.
Okay. Go to the shlokas.
Sanatana Kapila Vyaya.
Go to next one.
Bhuta Vasu Vasudeva. Sarvas Nilyonalaha.
Say full shloka, Vihan.
Okay, Guru Garu. Bhuta Vasu Vasudeva Sarvas Nilyonalaha. Darpada Darpado Dupto Durduro Parajita.
76.
Correct. Okay, Guru. Dharma Gupdharmi.
51.
Correct. Yagna is Joma is J is Ja.
Say it again, full shloka.
Yagna is Joma is J is Ja. Yagna is Joma is J is Ja. Kutas Satyam Stangati. Sarvadasi Nivrittatma.
Okay. Go, Sarayu. Okay, Amma, Vihan. Let's move to next one. Ask something from beginning also. 1 to 20 also ask. Start.
Brajishnar Bhojanam Bhokta. 16?
Yeah.
Okay, correct.
Okay. Okay, Amma, done. Okay. So, good job, Sarayu. I'm happy. Okay. You did a very good job. 2, 3, 4. You okay? So you got you missed a few of them. You missed close to 4, but good job. Okay. Okay. Clap for Sarayu too. Very good job. Okay. Okay. Who want to go next now? All the juniors are over, right? No, Vihan, you don't get a chance. You Vihan and Srisha, you will get a chance at the end, everyone is going to ask you both. At the end, everyone is going to ask you both. Okay, yeah, you can also ask them. Okay, everyone is going to ask you both. Okay, okay. Let's start with. Okay, okay, Shanmuka, you want to go? Let's give one to the kids also, Amma. We'll ask you. Shanmuka and Nivedita also will ask you. For Shanmuka, Nivedya, Vikas, and Dev, you both are supposed to ask them. Be prepared, okay? Be prepared with 5 and 5. I know Nivedya missed few shlokas, so she will tell you which one she missed it. Okay, Nivedya and Shanmuka will go after the Saharsh. Saharsh and Nimisha, are you there? Okay, Nimisha. So let's go to Saharsh and Nimisha, okay? And then we'll come back. For Saharsh and Nimisha, Sarayu, do you want to ask one of them?
I'll ask Nimisha.
Okay, we have to be very fast, okay? Okay, Nimisha. Okay, Amma. Go. Nimisha.
50.
Where is wait 1 second. Nimisha, are you unmuted? Okay, Amma. Go, Sarayu.
53.
उत्तरो गोपतिर्गोप्ताः ज्ञानगम्य पुरातनः.
Correct. 30.
Sarayu, first path, Nimisha, first padam is enough. And I think they only know till 57. 57.
Okay, we got it. 36.
स्कन्दधरो दुर्यो.
Correct. 25.
आवर्तनो निवृतात्मा.
Correct. Sloka number 47.
अनिर्विन्नस्तविष्टो.
Correct. Shloka number 15.
लोकाध्यक्षसुरादक्षो.
Correct.
Okay, for them, ask 5 shlokas now quickly. You can
Okay.
look in your book.
Upendro Vamana Pramshu.
17.
Correct. Ramo Viramo Virajo.
43.
Correct. Viksharo Rohito Margo.
40.
Correct. Okay. Suvritaha Sumukha Sukshmaha.
49.
Correct. Yogo Yoga Vidamneta.
3.
Yuga Dikut Yuga Varto.
33.
Oh, wait. We're done. Okay. Very good job. You got very. You said all right, Nimisha. Good job. And you are so fast. Okay. You are so lightning fast. Very good job, Nimisha. Clap for her too. Good job, Amma. Okay. Now you can go on the mute, Nimisha. Okay. Move on to Saharsh. Who did I say Saharsh to ask? Okay. Sorry, you want to ask?
Yes, Garu.
Okay. Ask only till 57. You have to be loud, okay? And you have to say whether it is right or wrong also. Start.
41.
उद्भवक्षोभनो देवः.
50.
स्वापनस्वविशो व्यापी.
You have to say whether it is right or wrong, Shaurya.
Okay, Garu, correct.
Next one.
48.
यज्ञ इज्यो महेजेस्ता.
Correct.
Ask something in 30s too. 1 to 30 also.
Garu. 30.
What did you say again?
30.
Oh, just tejo duty dadaha.
Correct.
Ask one last.
Number 2.
Did you say number 2?
Yeah.
Bhutatma Paramatma cha.
Correct.
You were so happy, Saharsh. It was easy one. Okay. Now ask the shlokas. Ask the shlokas 5. Look in your book. Make it fast. So you have to be ready. Start 1 to 57. Ask.
Atulaha Sharabo Bhimaha.
39.
Correct. 42.
Oh no, you need to say sloka.
Vyavasayo vyavastanaha.
I had to say the sloka, I forgot. It was like, I'll try another one. Yugadi good Yugavarto.
Okay, go to next one.
Okay, good Garu.
It is 48.
Wrong.
Wrong. No. Go to next one, Shaurya. Make it fast.
Can I try one more time?
Mahi Bharta.
Can I try one more time for
Please
this?
come back. Saharsh, no. This is exam. Okay. This is not regular sloka class. I'll come back to you. Wait. Go ask one more.
Maheshwasho Mahi Bharta.
Sloka number 30. 20.
Correct.
Couple more. Make
Samburadityaha.
5.
Correct.
one last.
Okay, good Garu. Ramo Viramo Virjo.
43.
Correct.
Okay, done. Wait. You are done. Wait. So Saharsh, you got. You okay? Now try Yuga Adikrita Yuga Avarto.
33.
Is it right? Right. Okay. But you have to say when he first asked you. Okay. For now, I'll give you. But next time when we have exam, I will not give. Okay.
You couldn't listen. I heard
I know.
28.
So everyone who is asking, please be loud and clear. Okay. They should be clearly audible. Okay. Okay. And also, Mahesh Vaso, you said Mahesh Vaso, you said some number 30 or something. Then again you came back and said 20. That also I will not give next time. Same thing, Nimisha, not Nimisha. Someone also did a similar mistake. So Sarayu, sloka number 9.
Shaurya was
No, 1 second, Amma.
Okay.
9 also, Ishwaro, Sarayu did not say, and she corrected and come back and said Ishwara Vikrami Dhanvi for sloka number 9. Okay. Those next time I will not give anything. First time, even if you say wrong, it's wrong. Okay. For now, that's fine. Good job, Saharsh. Clap for Saharsh.
Guru Garu, Shaurya was not loud, so I couldn't really hear him.
I agree, Amma. I understand that. You are true. I agree. Okay. Okay. You did a good job. Clap for Saharsh. Good job, Saharsh.
So did I get 10 out of 10 or 9 out of 10?
That is okay. I tell you, okay. You don't have to worry about marks, okay. As long as you did a good job, that is what we want, okay. Okay. Good job. Okay, let's go. Who is next now? Okay, Shanmuka is ready. Okay, Shanmuka. You want to ask?
Yeah.
Shanmuka, you want to ask?
Yeah.
You have to be very fast. Don't delay, okay. So Shanmuka, did you miss any shlokas or are you good from 1 to 108?
Guru Garu, I missed 90 to 105 because I wasn't there.
Okay, Amma. 90 to 108 we'll ask. 1 to 90, okay. Get ready. Okay, start. First ask number.
For 107.
Are no 1 to 90. 1 to 90 start.
91.
Are 1 to 90. Don't ask 91. Till 100, 1 to 190 start.
32.
Bhuta Bhavya Bhavannada Pavana Pavano Naraha.
One is enough, Amma.
Correct. 83. 83.
Say loud.
83.
Okay, move on to next one. Ask next one.
79.
79. Eko naika savaka kim.
Correct.
Wait. 79. Eko naika savakakim.
It's not correct.
Go to next one. It's wrong.
N-
Ask me.
90.
Don't look at me. 90.
I don't know 90.
1 to 90 kadamma. Sir, ask one more number. Make it fast.
Yeah, okay. 29. This easy one.
Okay, ask one last number. One more number.
34. Correct.
Okay, ask Shlokas. Make it fast.
Okay. Ishvara Vikrami Tanvi.
9.
Correct. Amrutyasvara Dukshama.
22.
Amrutan Shurba Banu.
30.
30.
Did you say 30? 32 anta?
No, it's not. 30.
Okay. Next one. Make it fast.
7. Aradra.
Adugura, whatever you want to ask. Say Shloka.
Okay. Ritu Sudarshana Kala.
45.
Correct. Dharma Kudharmi.
51.
Correct.
Okay, done. Okay. So Sharmukha, do you want to give a try for 83, 83, 79, and 83, 79, 29? Do you want to give a try for one of them? Go for 29.
29.
Guys, everyone also keep saying it, okay? It's not that it is exam only just to know Shanmuka. You also have to say the answer. And you want to try for 79?
79.
Okay, Amma. So you got like 5 mistakes, okay? Shloka's number you said right, but Shloka's you got lot of good one, okay? But good job, okay, Shanmukha. I know you only joined very later, and also you learned many Shlokas from your Chelli's class too, okay? Good job. Clap for Shanmukha too. Good job, Shanmukha. Okay, just have to improve, okay? We all have to improve, okay? Good job. Okay, after Shanmukha, who want to go?
Can I go to
Okay, Riddhi wants to go.
Can I go back?
Go on, come fast. What, Vihan? Vihan, you won't get it. I told you right, after everyone is finished, then everyone is going to ask questions to all of you. Okay? You guys don't raise. Okay. Riddhi is now ready. Riddhi, from which 1 to 57 are you right, Amma?
No, 13 to 57. Good. Gurugaru.
13 to 57. 13 to 57. Vikas, did you get a chance to ask anyone or no?
No, Gurugaru.
Okay, Vikas, you can go, Amma. Dev also, I'll ask you.
Okay. Shloka number 47. Aravindahastavistis.
That is enough, Amma. First padam is enough. Okay.
Oh, yeah, that's right. Shloka number 32.
Bhuta Bhavya Bhavanataha Pavanaha
That is
Correct.
enough. First padam is enough, Amma, Riddhi.
Shloka number 54.
Somapo Amrutapa Somaha.
Correct. Shloka number 36.
Repeat number again.
Nadaro Duryo Pardo Vayuvaha. Shloka number 20. 20. Shloka.
Mahesh Vaso Mahi Varta.
Correct.
Okay, both. Okay, wait. Now you have to ask the shlokas. Both have to be very loud. Both of your voice is very low. Say it loud, ask loud.
Okay. Dharma Krut Dharmi.
51.
Correct. Vistarah Stavarastanuhu.
Say full shloka.
Vistarasthavarastanuhu Pramanam Bijam Avyayam. Artho. What?
46.
Correct. Amrutam Shudbhavo Banu.
31.
Correct. Mahabuddir Mahaviryo.
19.
Correct. Uttaro Gopatir Gopta.
53.
Correct.
Wow, good job. You got 10 out of 10, Riddhi. Very good job. Clap for her. Very good job. Very good job, Riddhi. Okay. And I know when some parents call, right? Especially the new kids or someone, they always ask, my kid doesn't speak mother tongue, or they only speak English, and they all ask, okay? I don't see any new kid is here. They all dropped off, right? But she, right? Riddhi only used to speak English, but look at her how fastly she grasped, okay? And she's practicing very good job, okay? Very good job, Riddhi. Okay, who want to go next?
Thank you, Gurugaru.
Who want to go? Okay. Okay, actually, Nivedya will go. Nivedya, because she's been waiting. Nivedya, which shlokas you missed it? Tell it. Or tell which shlokas we should ask.
62 to 83.
62 to 83, you missed it. And what else?
Yeah, those.
Only 62 to 83?
Yes.
Okay, Dev. Where is Dev? Okay. After Nivedya, it's these two. Aikya, Anya. Okay, be ready. Dev, get ready. Except 62 to 83, you can ask anything.
Okay, Gurugaru.
Oh, and also 94 to 100. Yeah, I forgot that.
I know that. I was waiting for that. 94 to 100, right?
Yes, Gurugaru.
Okay. Go ahead. Go ahead, Dev.
53.
Uttaro Gopatir Gopta.
Correct. 61.
Sudarshanaganda Parashur.
Yes, correct.
Please be loud, Dev.
86.
No, she's not there. She don't know 86.
Oh no, oh yeah. 63.
53, I don't know.
Actually, wait, 86 you are there, right, Nivedya?
Yes.
Yeah, 86, say. My bad.
Suvarna Bindu Rakshobhya.
Correct.
92.
Dhanurdharo Dhanurvedo.
Is it right? Dev, 92 is right.
Mm-hmm.
One last. Make it fast.
39.
Atula Shiva Bobiva.
Sharabha.
Correct. But you said the second one wrong.
Ask the shlokas now.
Dharmakrit.
51.
Right. Okay. Move on. Let's make it fast, Dave.
I can't think of any.
Open your book and ask Shloka.
Mahabaraho Govinda, Susheshanaknakangadi.
58.
But what did you say?
58.
Yeah, correct. Shubhang Shanti Dashasta Kuvaleshaya.
I don't know this.
No. Dave, you went so fast. Say it slowly.
Shubhanga Lok Shubhanga Shanti Dashasta Kuvaleshaya.
84.
No.
Okay, go to next one.
Soma Somaha Purushatmaha.
50 cold.
Yes.
Ask couple more. Make it fast, Dave.
Anirvinasta Vistobur Dharma Yupo Mahamakaha.
Uh, 47.
Yes.
One last.
Sahasrarchi Saptajigva Saptai Saptavahana.
89.
Yes.
Okay, good job. You made it all right. Okay. Nivedya, very good job. Clap for Nivedya. Very good job.
Thank you, Garu.
Hey, whoever is asking questions, please be ready. Okay. After they say next one, you're searching for the shloka. No, please make it fast. We have only like half an hour more. We have more kids to ask. Okay.
I didn't know like which one she missed. Like half of the ones that I
Oh,
looked.
you had to be perfect. Okay. Look. Okay. Let's move on. Let's not discuss here. We'll discuss in another time. Okay, Aikanya, be ready. Next, Aikanya, Srinika, Samanvi. Okay. And we'll do them. Okay. Okay. Aikanya, are you ready, Amma? And Harshit too.
Yes.
Indumati join now. Okay. Aikanya. 1 second. Who wants to ask? No, Harshit, you don't know, Amma. No, wait. Shanmuka.
I can say up till 15, Gurugara.
Okay, Amma, we'll ask you till 15. You'll get a chance till 15. Shanmuka.
Yes, Gurugara.
Only till 1 to 15. We'll ask 1 to 14. Okay.
Okay.
Actually, let's go one by one, or both of you want to go together. Let's go one by one. Make it fast. 1 to 14.
3.
Aikia, Chinnamma, you go first.
Correct. 6. Correct. 11. Correct. 15.
15 no, Amma. 14 only.
14.
Nana. Okay, I think we learned only yesterday. Aikia, you say it.
Sarvaga Sarvavidvanuhu.
Correct.
Ask one more to Anya.
8. Correct.
Okay, ask shlokas, couple shlokas.
Ishvaro Vikrami Danvi. 9. Correct. Vishvam Vishnurvashatkaro. Correct. Swayam Bushambhuraditya.
Okay, 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 Amma. That is enough for them because they only have few slokas to ask, right? Okay, let's, good job, Sariyo. I mean, Anya, good job. Clap for Anya. Very good job, Amma. You got all right. Okay, now Aikya. Aikya, I'll ask, okay? Let me make it fast little, okay? Aikya, say Dhyana Slokam, Shirot.
Shiro Danvat Prate se Sutimani Vilasa Saikate Maktikana.
మొత్తం చెప్పమ్మా.
Okay, Guru Garu. Mala Klupta Samazda Spatikamani Nibail Maktikar Manditanga. నాకు అక్కడ దాకానే వచ్చేది.
Okay. Say sloka number 9.
ఓకే గురుగారు. ఈశ్వరో విక్రమే ధన్వి మేధావి విక్రమక్రమః.
Okay. Say Asya Sri.
అస్య శ్రీ విష్ణు దివ్య సహస్రనామ స్తోత్ర మహామంత్రస్య శ్రీ వేదవ్యాసో భగవాన్ ఋషి అనుష్టుప్ ఛందః శ్రీ మహావిష్ణు ప్రీత్యర్థే
Sri Mahavishnu Paramatma Sriman Devata Amrutamshuddhavo Bharati Bijam. Okay, say sloka number 7.
ఓకే గురుగారు. అగ్రయ శాశ్వత కృష్ణో లోహితాక్ష ప్రతర్జనః.
Okay. Say sloka number 13.
13 గురుగారు I don't know.
13. 1-3.
యా గురుగారు.
Do you know Anya? Okay. Okay. Let me ask one last question and we'll wrap up. Suresh Asharanam Sharma.
Shloka number 10 గురుగారు.
Okay, good job. Okay, good job. You had to practice, Amma. Okay, I told you we are also going to ask Dhyana Shloka Sasyasri also, right? Okay, anyway, but good job. Okay, good job to both of you. Clap for them. And you know, all other kids, right? India kids wake up at so early, like how you wake up today, every weekend they wake up. Okay, even the weekends also they wake up early and get ready and come to the class. Okay, good job guys. And even when they were traveling also, right, they never missed it. Okay, even when they're out of station also they used to attend the class. Okay, once you, that is, we want a dedication. Okay, I see the messages today, some kids saying that we are traveling today. I posted this message 1 week back, okay, at least 5 days in advance, and I told if you can't say it in next 1 day, but they last, I don't know, somehow they only remember last night or today morning that they can't attend the class today, right? This is so unfair. So Aikanya, right, their parents, her parents, during the last class they waited and they just make sure that we may have to travel. Even if they travel, we'll still attend, they'll join from the car. Okay, see, whether saying this shloka or not is not a big thing, but dedication is more important. Okay, good job. I want all of them to be that. Okay, good job Aikanya. Let's go to Shrinika Samanvi. Okay, amma, wait, Indumathi, wait, amma, we'll come to you. Shrinika Samanvi, be ready. Shrisha, can you ask them quickly 1 to 14? 1 to 14.
Gurugaru,
Okay,
Gurugaru was absent when you told us 11 and 12.
Okay, 11 and 12 they missed it, amma, so don't ask anything from 11 to 12. You can ask Dhyanam, from Dhyanam you can ask too.
okay, Gurugaru.
You can also ask from beginning, Yudhishthira watch or Bhishma watch also. Okay,
Okay, Gurugaru.
and wait, first Shrinika, you go.
Okay, Gurugaru.
Sloka number 10.
Suresha Sharanam Sharma.
Correct. Sloka number 3.
Yogo Yoga Vidamneta.
Correct. Sloka number 13.
Rudro Bahushira Babru.
Correct. Sloka number 6.
Aprameyo Rishikesha.
Correct. Sloka number 9.
Ishvaro Vikrami Dhanvi.
Good job.
Okay, ask Shloka Sama, like Yudhishthira Vacha, Dhritarashtra, all those things. Start.
Okay. Vyasaya Vishnu Rupaya.
No,
No, okay.
say Bhishma Vacha.
Bhishma Uvacha.
Jagat Prabhum Devadevam Anantam Purushottamam.
Enough, Amma. Right or wrong, Chappu?
Correct, Gurgaru.
Next.
Bhutatma Paramatma cha.
What will she say, Srisha? Bhutatma if you say. Okay, say Samanvi. Shinika. Sorry, Puchi. Say Bhutatma Paramatma cha. Loud.
2 Gurgaru.
Okay.
It's correct.
Make it fast. Say Asyastri, Amma. Say Asyastri.
Kya?
Wait. Asyastri, Chappu.
Asya.
Asya Sri Vishnur Divya Sahasranama Japevin Stotra Mahamantrasya Sri Vedavyaso Mahamuni Sri Vedavyaso Bhagavan Rishi Anushtup Chandaha Sri Mahavishnu Paramatma Sriman Narayano Devata Amritam Shudbhavo Bhanurti Bijam देवकी नंदन सृष्टेति शक्तिः उद्भवः क्षोभनो देव इति परमो मन्त्रः शङ्खबृन्मन्दकी चक्रीति कीलकं शाङ्गदन्वा गदाधर इत्यस्तं रथाङ्गपाणिरक्षोभ्य इति नेत्रम् त्रिसामासामगस्सामेति कवशम् आनन्दीन पुनीया Anandam Parabrahmeti Yonihi.
Good job, Amma. That is good enough. Okay. Good job, Shinika. You said almost all of like 9. Okay. Good job. Okay. Let's move on to quickly to Samanvi. Okay. Let me ask Samanvi. Okay. I'll ask Samanvi. Samanvi, be ready, Nana. Can you say one padyam from Bhagavatam?
Tanaventan Siri Lachi Ventanavaroda Vratamun. Tani Venkanu Pakshendrudu Vani Pontanu Hanukkavumudaki Shankachakranikaayumbunu Naradundu Dhvajanikantundu Ravachchiroyyana Vaikunthapurambunam Galuguva Abalagopalamun Rabalagopalamun.
Very good job. Okay. Say Shloka number 9.
Ishvaro Vikrami Dhanvi.
Okay. Aditya, dad is calling, but during the Shloka class, like no. If he is, someone else can talk if they know Aditya V. Aditya V. Okay. No, not Aditya V. Sorry, other one. You can contact. Okay, go. Okay. Say. 4, Amma. 4.
Sarva Shivasthanuhu.
Good job. Can you say? Wait. Suresh Sharanam Sharma.
Gurgaru 10.
Good job. Rudra Bahushira.
13 Gurgaru.
Good job. Okay. Very good. You got all right. Good job, Shinika Samanvi. Clap for them. Very good job. Very good job, Shinika Samanvi. Okay. And did you all hear? So she's look today here, right? When I ask you Padyam to say, right? We'll say very fast or here and there bits and pieces. Practice. Even if you learn 1 or 2 Padyams, practice it very nicely and nicely say it in the tune. Okay. Very good job, Samanvi. I think Sai Johit, I think you're also learning music. So last time when you said shloka, you're also nicely saying in the tune. Okay, try to develop that. Okay, good job.
Okay.
Harshit, be ready. Harshit, be ready. Saharsh, be ready. Saharsh,
Yes, Guru Garu.
Saharsh.
Yes, Guru Garu.
Guys, everyone, please turn on your camera. Okay, your turn is over. You're turning off. That is not fair, right? Everyone is sitting. I know kids woke up early in the morning or they're all ready. So if you're done, please do not turn off your camera. Okay. Saharsh,
Yes, Guru Garu.
ask him from beginning, from anywhere from Shuklam Bharadaram till 15, 1 to 15. Okay, like not only 1 to 15, from Shuklam Bharadaram till 15. Ask. Start, Amma.
Shuklam Bharadaram 215 from.
Ona.
Like.
Adugu questions.
Okay. Sloka number 1.
Vishnum Vishnu Vashatkaro.
Correct. Sloka number 12.
Vasar Vasamanasatyas.
Wrong.
Next one.
15.
Lokadyaksha Suradhyaksha.
Correct. 13.
Rudro Bahusira Bhavar.
9.
Ishwaro Vikrami Dhanvi.
Say slokas now.
Okay. Yudhishthira Uvacha.
Kimekam Daivatam Loke Kim Vapyekam Parayanam.
First one. No.
Suvantakam
Say first padam is enough. Okay.
Correct. Ko Dharma Sarva.
No, you can't ask that. Can you say Dhyanam Bhupadav?
Bupado Yasya Nabir Vyadasuran Nilas Chandra.
Excuse me. Okay, ask it, make it fast. Okay, where is ask one more, couple more, Amma. Will
Shri Asya Shri Vishnu Divya.
are you there, Harshit? Looks like he got disconnected. That's okay. He got almost all of them right. Okay. Okay, good job, Harshit, if you're not here. Who want to go next? Okay, we have few more kids to cover, right? Okay. Oh, wait. Let's give it to Akshita. And Arya. Okay, we'll make it little fast. Okay, is it okay if I ask it so that we can just make it little fast? Or let's give chance to Vihan and Srisha. They'll ask. Aikyanya, do you want to ask Akshita? Aikyanya, do you want to ask Akshita? No, you don't ask. Yes or no? Okay, make it fast, guys. Okay, go, Amma. Loud. Oh no, I can't hear at least.
14.
14 anta. 14.
Sarvaga Sarva. Suresha Sharana.
9.
Dhanvi.
You have to say right or wrong, Anya.
Correct. 3. Yoga Vidameta. Correct.
Ask a couple of slokas.
Shashvata Krishna. Gurugar is wrong. I asked the 5th one.
You ask 5. Sloka number 5.
Yeah.
Can you say 5, Amma? We can barely hear you, Anya. 5. Akshita 5 antama. 5.
Shambhuraditya.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's ask Aikya or Anya. Ask couple of slokas. Say couple of slokas fast.
4.
4.
Correct. Agraya Shashvatam. 7.
No. Okay, good job. Agra hai. Guys, if you give a chance to ask it right, please be loud and clear. Okay, otherwise they can't. Good job, Akshita. You got all right. Okay, good job. Clap for them too. Harshit also. Harshit, you did a good job too. Okay, you got disconnected, but you got all right. Only one mistake you made. I think 12 you did not. One sloka you said wrong. 12, I think. 12. Okay. Good. Clap for.
Guru Garu, I said correct only, Guru Garu. I said Vasur Vasumanasat, yes.
Okay, Amma. Okay. That's what Saharsh said, right? When he asked first time, you didn't say it right, I think. Saharsh,
No,
you asked
Guru Garu. Harshit said the shloka number 1 correct only, Guru Garu.
12.
Said the shloka number 1 correct, Guru Garu. Harshit.
First time?
Yes, Guru Garu, first time.
Okay. Saharsh, then what was you?
Vasur Vasumanas was 11.
Check it again.
No, it's 12.
That is 12.
Oh yeah. It's correct.
Saharsh, you have to be correct, okay? Okay, good job, Amma. Okay, let's move on. Yeah, okay, Amma, you can leave. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Wait. Nivedya. Okay, Nivedya will go, okay? Nivedya, 1 to 57, right, Nivedya?
Guru, are you calling me or Nivedita?
Sorry, Nivedita, sorry, Nivedita.
Yes, Guru Garu.
1 to 57? Lokesh, you want to ask, Lokesh? Lokesh, do you want to ask?
No, Guru.
Why? You don't want to ask, Lokesh?
I know, Guru.
Enduk, Lokesh? Okay. Wait. No, Srisha is always there, I know. Okay, anyone? Okay, Vikas, let's give a chance to Vikas to ask. Vikas,
Once. Yes.
actually, wait, Vikas. Nimisha, do you want to ask?
Yes, Guru Garu.
Make it little fast, okay? Okay, ask 5 numbers. Make it fast. Start.
34.
Repeat one more time, Nimisha. 34.
Ishta, Vishishta, Shishteshta. Correct. 36.
Nimisha, get ready with the next number. Ready.
Hello, correct. 25. 54. Correct. 48.
Correct.
Correct.
Ask Shlokas.
Upendra Vamana Pramshur. 17. Correct. Agrane Gramani Shriman. 24. Correct. 6.
Slokan Japama.
Aprameyo Rishikeshaha. 6. Correct. Agrasya Shashvata Krishna. 7. Vidya Vaidya Sadayogi. 18. Correct.
Good job. Okay, you're done. Good job, Nimisha, Nivedita. Okay, you got all right. Okay, let's move on.
Thank you, Guru Garu.
Urvi Tanvi, Lekshana, na? Sir, Lekshana adudam. Okay, let's go to Lekshana. Okay, after Lekshana, it is Urvi Tanvi. Indumati. Oh no, Arya and then Indumati. Okay. Okay. Lekshana, get ready. Vihan, go amma. Make it fast. Okay. Lekshana 57 kadamma till 57, right?
Gurugaru.
11 to 57, Guru
Oh,
Garu.
11 to. Okay, 11. Okay, start. Vihan, start 11 to 57.
Gurugaru, I actually have a class at 9 o'clock.
Okay, ask her and then leave amma.
Okay.
After that, or we'll ask you. Ask her and then we will quickly ask and you can drop off. Start.
Okay, Gurugaru. Upendra Ramana Pramsu.
17.
Oh, wrong order.
That is okay. That is right. At least Upendra Vamana Pramshe is 17 or right. Say.
Correct. Orja Sejo Dutiraraha.
30.
Correct. Did you say 30?
Yeah.
Okay, correct. Asankeya Prameyatma.
27.
Correct.
Make it fast, Vihan.
Gurutamodamas.
23.
Correct.
Okay, ask numbers.
21.
Mari Charitam Hamsas.
Correct. 36.
Skandas Kandada Rodurya.
Correct. 39. I mean, yeah, 39.
Atulashwara Gobi Maha.
Correct.
Okay, that's enough, Amma. Very good job, Lekshana. You got all right. Clap for Lekshana. Very good job. Okay. I said, let's quickly ask Narain. Narain, he's been little. Ruhi, you want to try or you want to listen, Amma, today? Ruhi, do you want to say anything or you want to just listen?
Listen.
Okay, Nana. Okay. Actually, let's ask Vihan because Vihan I have to leave. Okay, 1 second, Narain. We'll ask Vihan quickly, okay? Okay, Srisha. Okay, for Vihan, right? Only ask all the last padams. All last padams. Everyone open your books, be ready. Everyone open your books, be ready. Let's start, Vihan. Where is Vihan? Is it ready? Okay, it's there. Okay, let's start one by one. Who else want? You can ask anything from 1 to 108. Last padam. Go, Saharsh. Say, but say it loud. Say, Saharsh.
Okay. Last Dharma Trivikramaha.
No, say it clearly. Dharma.
Ask numbers.
Ask.
Oh, okay.
Ask.
53. 53.
53.
83. Samapto Nivrittatma.
Okay.
Okay.
Correct.
No, put it on the mute. Okay. Okay. Lokesh, you want to ask? Wait. Lokesh, you want to ask?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead, Lokesh. Make it fast.
Vega Vanamitasanaha.
Very good.
Can you say it again, Lokesh?
Yeah. Vega Vanamitasanaha.
Guys, put your hands down, okay? Let put your hands down. Shrisha, actually, Shrisha and Vihan both unmute and both of you can answer it. Unmute, Shrisha.
40. Shh.
Lokesh, you have to say right or wrong.
Right, Guru Garu.
Ask couple more last padams, Lokesh.
Okay, Guru Garu. Dharma Viduttamaha. 43. Yeah, correct. Correct. Let's see. Ratna Garbhodhaneshwaraha.
Ratna Garbho Dhaneshwara.
50.
50.
Good job.
Correct.
Okay, Lokesh, Agnana. Dev, If anybody else want to ask, only the last padams. Vikas, let's give to Junior. Vikas, be ready. Start making fast.
Shitishuspapanasanaha.
What did you say? Because I mean,
Everyone, wait a minute. Everyone else, please be on the mute. Everyone else, please be on the mute except these three kids. Say it loud. Ask loud, Vikas.
Shitishuspapanasanaha.
106.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, Yagnango Yagnavahanaha.
105.
Wrong.
Oh, 104.
Yeah, that's right.
Good job.
Bhakti
Ask him, ask.
Bhakti Krut Bhakti Nashanaha.
No, I never. No. Say it correctly.
Bhakti Krut Bhakti Nashanaha.
89.
That's right.
Ah.
Sriman Lokatrayashrayaha.
65. 65.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay. Good job. Okay, wait, because Dave, go Dave. Ask 3 or 4, and they can. No.
Surya Savitara Vilochanaha.
94. Yeah.
Isha, you can have to be fast. Okay, start.
Punya Shravana Kirtanaha.
98. 88.
Correct. Ravan Sovam Savardhanaha.
90. 90.
Yes.
Okay, that's enough.
70.
Hey, very good job. Okay, you both did a good job. I know this is very difficult. Last padam. Wait a minute, Shaurya, wait. This is very difficult last saying just based on last padam, but you both were very fast. Okay, I know we still have to improve. I know for some slokas we took some time. For some slokas Srisha took some time. Okay, we still have to practice. Okay, but good job. Clap for both of them. Very good job. Okay. Now Vihan, if you have to leave it. Okay, guys, little make it fast. Okay, we are over that, getting over time. Naren, get ready, Amma.
Thank you.
Naren, you know from 25, right?
Yes, Gurugaru.
25 to 57.
Yes, Gurugaru.
Okay, can you say 25, Nana? Okay, that is good. Okay, say 36.
36
Okay, Ramo, Viramo, Virajo. Shloka number?
43.
Wow, very good job. Can you say Dharma, Krudharmi, Shloka number? Say Shloka Jappu, Mottam Shloka Jappu. Dharma, Krudharmi. Okay, very good job. Can you say one last one? Can you say Shloka number 30, Amma? 30, 30? 30, 30. Very good job. Okay. Can I ask one last and okay? No, one last, Amma. Okay. Can you say Swapana Swava Shovyapi Shloka number?
49.
No, listen. Swapana Swava Shovyapi. Ade Shloka. You're close to 49. Try cheying okasari. Swapana Swava Shovyapi. Number. What is the Shloka number? Okay, it is 50. Okay, you said 49. That it's just 50. Good job. Actually, you did a very good job. Okay, I'm clap for very good job. How many of you are impressed with him? Right, when you're saying, everyone was so happy to hear you. Okay, very good job, Naren. Keep practicing. Okay.
Okay, Gurugaru. He's smiling.
Yeah, he's smiling. Good job. Okay. I think Gurvi Tanvi we haven't got, and Arya and Indumati, right? We all covered everyone. Okay, Ma, we have will be just over 10 minutes. Urvi, Tanvi, get ready, Nana. Oh, actually, you know, Varshita and Joshita, you both were not even raising your hands. In Srisha ka cheppala, Varshita, nuve ettalamma, okay na?
Charlie raised her hand before, but then you
I didn't see. Okay, you had to put it properly. You could put Apana, okay? Okay, that's fine. Urvi, Tanvi, get ready, Amma. Srisha, you keep asking, okay? Actually, you know, ask them. 1 to 57.
Okay.
Guru, we started from 34.
Okay, only 34 on top. 34 to 57.
Sloka number 36.
Skanda Darodaya.
Good job. 45.
Sudarshana Hattalaha.
57.
Maharshi Kapilacharyaha.
Correct. 50. 50.
Swapaniswava Sovyapi.
Okay, ask Shlokas.
Okay. Achyuta Pratita Pranaha.
35.
Correct. Yagnajyo Maheshtascha.
48.
Correct. Anirvinnasta Vistobur.
47.
Correct.
Okay, Amma. I think that's enough, Nana. We asked 6, okay? Very good job, Urvit, and you got all 6 out of 6.
10 of it.
Okay, I mean, you got full marks. So good job. Let's go to actually, you know, Srisha, Varshita is.
We have to drop. We are going to Pittsburgh.
Yeah, okay. Urvit, and we can drop off, Nana. Okay,
Thank
good
you.
job. Clap for them too. Good job. Okay, have a nice darshan. Okay.
Thank you.
Shenmukha is also there in Pittsburgh. Okay. Okay. Let's move to who? I was saying Varshita. Okay. Varshita, unmute, Amma. Nivedita. Nivedya. Nivedya. Do you want to ask Srisha?
Varshita.
Varshita. Srisha, we can't ask. Okay.
Okay.
Even I can't ask Srisha. Okay. 1 to 57. Ask, Amma. Make it fast. Okay. She's having.
Yes, Guru. You were glitching.
Okay. 1 to 57. Ask Varshita.
17.
Upendra Napranju Amoga Sujiro Urtita. Just the first line. I mean first param.
Is it right or wrong? Oh, good job.
40.
Viksharo Tomargo Hetur Damodara. First father.
Srisha, right?
Was it right, Nivedita? Nivedya.
Yes.
You have to say it right, okay?
50.
15.
1-5, yeah.
No, 50.
Oh, 50, okay.
Swapanaswapa Shovyapi.
Correct. 5.
Swayambhu Shambhuraditya.
Correct. 43.
43. ఏం చూస్తున్నావు కింద లెక్క ఏం లెక్కలేస్తున్నావు
Ramo Viramo Virajo Margo Neyo Anayo Anaya.
Correct.
okay ask few shlokas nivedita
Asankheyo Aprameyatma.
27.
Correct. Atula Shara Bobima.
okay ask one more
Uttaro Gopatir Gopta.
53.
Correct.
okay ask one last guys everyone else can open your books and look at it okay
Yeah.
keep checking
Bhutatma Paramatma cha.
2.
Very good. Okay, good job. You only one shloka you did not say, Amma Varshita. But I think maybe you could have taken time, you would have said it. But good job, Varshita. I'm so happy. Clap for Varshita too. Let's go to Joshita. Joshita Indumati Arya, right? Joshita Indumati Arya. Lekshana, you what do you want to say, Amma?
నా అక్క ఇంకా జాయిన్ కంటిన్యూ ఎందుకంటే వేరే క్లాస్ ఉంది.
Sare Nana, that's okay. Okay, let's go to Joshita. Joshita Ramma. Saharsh. No, wait. Dev, are you there, Dev? I do not know why you guys dropped or not on the camera. Little kids are staying all the time. Okay. Joshita, ready undamma. Vikas, you want to go? You want? Okay, let's give chance to Saharsh or Nimisha. Saharsh, if you want to ask him, be prepared. Okay. Next, ask him number and be prepared with the next number also. Go. Let's go. Ask Joshita.
ఓకే గురుగారు. శ్లోక నంబర్ 24.
Joshita, ninne.
అక్క చూడు
24. నవ్వుతున్నావు అమ్మా. Why are you laughing? 24. Okay, move on to next one. Ask next one, Saharsh.
35.
Who doesn't know, you can open your book and look at that shloka, okay? 35. Ask 1 to 20, Nana. Something from 1 to 20.
14.
14, 1 4. 14, Amma. Okay, say shloka number 7.
నా సైడ్ ఆల్రెడీ చూసి రాదు గుర్తు చేసుకో
7, Amma. నువ్వు చెప్పేది కరెక్ట్ గా టెన్షన్ పడకు. డోంట్ బి స్ట్రెస్డ్. ఓకే, సే శ్లోక నెంబర్ 10. 10 చెప్పమ్మా. సే 10. Don't be tensed, Amma. Say Saharsh 10 shloka number.
Sunita Sharanam Sharma.
Okay. 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 Joshita, do you want me to ask one more, or you want to try some other time? Say Skanda shloka number.
36.
Very good job. Say Ramo Viramo Virajo. Go, Amma.
6.
Is it right, Saharsh? Ramo Viramo.
Wrong, Guru Garu.
What is it number?
43.
Okay. Okay, Amma. Joshita, take help from Akka. Akka did a very good job today. Okay. But good job, Joshita. Okay. I know you'll practice, but don't be stressed. Tension padaddu. Okay. In your exams also, don't be stressed. Okay. Okay, na? Don't keep looking at Amma and Akka. It will, okay. Don't be tensed. Okay. Happy ga, you have to be happy ga cheppalana. Okay. Okay. Let's move on to Indumati. Vikas, go Vikas. 1 to Indumati, 1 or 11?
14, Guru Garu.
Okay. 14 to 57, Vikas. Make it little fast.
19.
Mahabuttir Mahavirya.
Correct.
Vikas, Kirtika, మీరు అడుగుతారా if you want to ask? 14 to 57.
Yes, Guru Garu.
Okay, మీరు Lekshan ఆగమ్మా.
20, number 20.
Maheshwaso Mahibata.
42.
Say it right or wrong, Amma. Right
Yeah,
or
it's correct. Yeah.
okay. Next one.
Next 42.
Vyavasaya Vyavastanaha.
Yeah, it's correct. Next 51.
Dharma Gupdharma Kritdharmi.
Yeah, it's correct. 63.
Uttarogopa Tergopta.
Sorry, it's 63.
No, 63 she doesn't know. 53 she thought. She knows only till
Okay,
57.
Okay, 24. 24.
Akranekramani Shriman.
You can ask shlokas.
Yeah, correct. Next, Shloka from
14 to 57.
Nokar Jaksha Surat.
15.
Yeah, correct. It's correct. Viksharo Rohito Margo.
Vikshar Orohito Margama.
40.
Yeah, it's correct. Suprasadda Prasannatma.
26.
What did you say?
26.
Yeah, it's correct. Yes.
Okay, one last.
Achyuta Pradipta Prana.
$35.
Yeah, it's correct. Yes.
Very good job. Okay,
All
Indumati, very good job. You got all right. Okay, very good job. Clap for Indumati too. And she was very confident. More importantly, she was very confident. Okay, very good job. Okay.
I was from beginning. I was in the class from beginning.
Okay, Ma. All right. Okay, Arya, it's your turn, Nana. I think you're only the left, right? Arya.
Yes, Guru.
So from which shlokas you were there, Arya?
41
to 57. Okay. 41 to 57, right? Okay.
Yes.
Let me ask, because you want to ask. Okay, go Vikas. 41 to 57.
Okay.
Harshit, 41 Radhga Nana. I know you raised, you want to ask. But 41 to 57, even if we say shloka, you don't know, right? Whether it is right or wrong. So let Vikas ask, okay? Vikas, 41 to 57. Go.
Okay. Shloka number 45.
Rutusudarshana Kalaha Parameshti
That is
Parikaha.
is enough, Arya. Rutu Sudarshana Kala is enough. Okay?
Shloka number 50.
Swapana Swavasho Vyapi.
Shloka number
Indumati, wait, Amma.
40. Yeah, correct. Shloka number 46.
Vistarastavarustanup.
Correct. Shloka number 54.
Amrutapas. Somapo Amrutapas Somaha.
Correct.
Ask couple of shlokas. No. Ask shlokas
Okay.
now.
Yajna Ijyo Maheshesha.
Lokesh,
48.
you would answer low.
48.
Correct. Uttarogopa Dirgopta.
53.
Very good job.
Correct.
Good job. That's enough, Amma. Okay. Very good job, Arya. You got all right. Clap for Arya. Very good job. Okay. He just
you.
joined very recently. He joined recently, but he said all the almost 6 or 7 we asked. He got all of them right. Very good job, Arya. Did we miss anyone? If you're not on camera, maybe we have missed. If you missed anyone, I don't. Did we miss anyone? No, right? Okay. Very good job. Okay. Everyone did a very good job. We still have to practice. Okay. We have to be very lightning fast. As soon as you ask it, you should be able to say, memorize it well. Next time, I'll not even consider one mistake. Like, last you said 20 and then come back and say it is 30. No. Okay. You all have to say it correctly. Okay. Okay. Before we finish it, right? Very good job. I think, and thanks everyone for joining so early. And anyone wants to sing Kirtana who is learning Carnatic music? Lokesh, you want to sing, Lokesh? Lokesh. See, okay, Lokesh, say, Bharati Siddharth Swami Kirtanamma, Guru Kirtana. Aditya, I don't see Aditya. I don't see, no one is waiting. Aditya, I don't see him. I don't see him waiting. I don't see Aditya waiting. Okay, Lokesh, can you hear me or no? Okay, he's having difficulty. Okay, Samanvi, Saharsh Agnana. Okay, we got chance last time together. Samanvi, Srinika never, and Lokesh also was not the last time. Let's give chances to people who didn't get a chance last time. Samanvi, Srinika, Mitra, okay.
గురుగారు మేము సాంగ్ పాడచ్చా?
ఏ కీర్తనమ్మా?
నారాయణతే నమో నమో.
ఓకే అమ్మా. నువ్వు కాదురా నాన్న. నారాయణ అంటే నువ్వు కాదు.
నారాయణతే నమో నమో. నారాయణతే నమో నమో. భవనారద సన్నుత నమో నమో. నారాయణతే నమో నమో. మురహర భవహర ముకుంద మాధవ. మురహర భవహర ముకుంద మాధవ. గరుడ గమన పంకజనాభ. జలతిశయన రవిచంద్ర విలోచన. జలతిశయన రవిచంద్ర విలోచన. జలరుహ భవనుత చరణయుగ. బలివందన గోపవధువల్లభ. నయనోధరతే నమో నమో. నారాయణతే నమో నమో. ఆదిదేవ సకలాగమ పూజిత. ఆదిదేవ సకలాగమ పూజిత. యాదవ కుల మోహన రూప. వీరోత్తర శ్రీ వెంకటనాయక. నాథ క్రియతే నమో నమో. నారాయణతే నమో నమో. నారాయణతే నమో నమో.
Good job, Amma. Very good. Okay, clap for them. Very good job. Okay, nicely sing. Okay, very good job. Okay, Lokesh, Lokesh, this will be last. Okay, because we are already close to getting 2 hours. Lokesh, Bharati Tirtha Swami Kirtana Padamma. Garuda Gamana, Bharati Tirtha Swami. Say it loud. Okay.
సరే గురుగారు. గరుడ గమన తవ చరణ కమలమిహ. మనసిల సతు మమ నిత్యం. మనసిల సతు మమ నిత్యం. మమ తాపమ పాకురు దేవా. మమ తాపమ పాకురు దేవా. జల జనయన విధి నముచి హరణము కవిబుధ వినుత పద పద్మా. విబుధ వినుత పద పద్మ. మమ తాపమ పాకురు దేవ. మమ పాపమ పాకురు దేవ. భుజగ శయన భవ మదన జనక మమ. జనన మరణ భయహారి. జనన మరణ భయహారి. మమ తాపమ పాకురు దేవ. మమ పాపమ పాకురు దేవ. शङ्खचक्रधर दुष्टदैत्यहर सर्वलोकशरणा सर्वलोकशरणा मम तापमपाकुरु देव मम पापमपाकुरु देव अगणित गुणगणा शरण शरणद विदलित सुररिपुजाला विदलित सुररिपुजाला मम तापमपाकुरु देव मम पापमपाकुरु देव भक्तवर्यमिह भूरि करुणया पाहि भारतीतीदं पाहि भारतीतीदं मम तापमपाकुरु देव मम पापमपाकुरु देव मम तापमपाकुरु देव मम पापमपाकुरु देव అయిపోయింది గురుగారు.
Very good job, Lokesh. Clap for Lokesh. And I do not know how many of you know Lokesh. He was one of the very few kids who used to drive every day 20 minutes from his home, and they used to come in person to the class. Okay, every day when we have a class, right, 3 times a week, they used to drive 20-25 minutes. He used to drive 20 to 25 minutes and come here. Okay. Okay. Very good job. Okay, get ready, Amma. We'll finish the class for today. Okay. Everyone, get ready. Get ready. Finish the class.
Bye, Guru.